and Pullman. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a study building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling debris.
Wow. Wow. Man. Got a flood in my front yard. Man. This is crazy. William box is almost buried underwater. Well, not buried, but I mean the water level was exactly right up to it. It's supposed to be like a drain pipe underneath there, but you can see it's over flooded. Man. Sure getting a lot of rain for the month of August. I don't know if farmers like it, but I don't know, man. Let me go out here real quick and see what's going on outside. Won't stop. Oh man, dude. My backyard's flooded. Man. It's coming up. Too high. That would really be a bad situation. Oh man. Okay. I'll get there later. Man, look at this mess. It's my front yard. Flooded over. Man. I don't know if it's even safe for her to come home. Doggone it. We're experiencing floods. Here it's August. Oh man. Oh man, no way. Doggone it. Wow, this whole road is flooded out. Man. She better not even try it. She better not even try it. My whole front yard, half of my front yard is flooded out. I'm walking in here, it's almost up to my ankles now. Oh wow. My road is flooded out. Power of water, man, something else. She better not even try it. She come home, she's gonna get swept away down this little creek. I got a little drain pipe right here, but don't seem like it's working too good. Wow. Man. Wow. Oh man. This creek overfilled. This drainage ditch over here. There's a drainage ditch in my front yard. Goes all the way down this road, but you can see it's overfilled. I'm kind of worried about her coming across this driveway. I don't want her to do that. Not right now. Yeah. Guess we had a tornado touchdown somewhere in Bangor, north of here. Very rarely we get tornadoes in Michigan, but it happens. Man, I just hope it don't come around here. This creek is just overfilling. Not too far from my house. Can't go no more. It's about 3 feet deep over here. Wow. My septic is right here. That'd be a bad thing. It gets full. Alright. Well, at least my birds are on high ground. I'm just kind of worried about my wife coming home, going across this creek, or going across this driveway. Power of water or something else. I'm gonna have to stop her if she gets down there until this water recedes a little bit. It's coming right across, it's overfilling, coming right across my yard. Wow. Never seen this before, not this bad. And here, this is the month of August. Man. Never seen it this bad. Wow. Well, that's where I live at, 3596 Dutch Lane in Sodus. They came out here and graded our road a couple months ago and supposed to blacktop it. I don't know when that's going to ever happen. The drainage don't seem like it's working too good down here neither. People all the way down there, I don't know if they can come and go out of there. It's pretty bad down there. All this water's got to go somewhere, and it's going down the end of this road somewhere. Get inside, lightning's coming around. One thing I got to say, if she comes over here, she better make a quick run into this driveway because that water is powerful. I can feel it on my feet. Get inside before I damage my camera. Hang in there, mailbox.